Right, good evening everybody and welcome to Á Chau's live stream.
Yeah, hello, is everybody there?
Yeah, give you some moments so that everyone can log in and get ready for this. Right, first we will just give you some quick rules.
Wait, introduction first.
We'll do introduction first. So first I will ask you some questions. What's your name?
My name is Sang. What's your name?
My name is Liam. How old are you?
I am just turning to 26. How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Yeah, it's great.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer.
And who is your favorite soccer player?
My favorite soccer player of all time is Cristiano Ronaldo. This is my biggest idol in the world.
And mine.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
What are you doing at the moment?
At the moment, I am a teacher in Vietnam. I have been teaching here for 5 years.
Yeah, really.
I love Vietnam.
Yeah, that's amazing. Nice to meet you,
Nice
Mr.
to meet
Liam.
you.
Yeah, cool.
Right, okay. First, we will run through some rules for you today. I will say these in English, and then Mr. Sang will say them in Vietnamese, just in case you don't understand. Okay. Right. Rule number 1. Try to type the answers as fast as you can.
So, cái luật lệ đầu tiên của mình cho cái buổi tham gia trả lời đố vui trúng thưởng ngày hôm nay thì các bé có quán ở nhà là chúng ta sẽ comment càng nhanh càng tốt ha. Đó là number 1.
Remember, make sure you are correct as well. Next one, number 2. The top 4 winners will receive a prize from Á Châu English Centers.
So, 4 bạn trả lời nhanh nhất và có nhiều đáp án đúng nhất trong xuyên suốt cái quá trình luôn á, thì các bạn sẽ nhận được những cái phần quà rất là giá trị đến từ ACE. So, chúng ta cố gắng nhé.
Good luck to everybody. Next one, number 3. When you are commenting, make sure that you add all of these things as well. You need to say your name, the branch or school that you study at, and the class or level that you are in.
Tại vì sẽ có rất là nhiều bạn cùng tham gia cái trò chơi đố vui này, cho nên thành ra chúng ta sẽ có một cái cú pháp để các bạn cố gắng comment cho nó đúng ha. Vậy thì cái cú pháp của chúng ta sẽ tuân theo những cái sau đây ha. Tên của mình nè, branch có nghĩa là cái trường hoặc là cái chi nhánh mà chúng ta đang theo học, class lớp mà chúng ta đang học ha. Và tiếp theo đó là câu trả lời của mình, nó sẽ có thể là A, B, C hoặc là D ha.
Remember, if you don't write your name, the branch and the class, we don't know who you are, so you can't win a prize. Remember to write this.
So, nếu như mà các bạn không có comment tên của mình, không có comment cái nơi mà mình đang học, không có comment cái lớp mà mình đang học thì rất là khó cho bộ phận kiểm duyệt của THảo i NG Center có thể chấm điểm cũng như là gửi đến các bạn cái phần quà của người chiến thắng ha. So, luôn luôn nhớ chúng ta có name, branch, nơi mà mình học nè, class, cái lớp mà mình đang học và answer đáp án.
Mr. Sang, can you show them an example?
So here are some examples for you to look at and then try to do it. Chúng ta sẽ có một cái example ha. Ví dụ, this is Mr. Sang. So Hoàng Sang, Nhà Bè branch, because I study in Nhà Bè. Tại vì Mr. Sang học ở Nhà Bè. Class F2, class family and friends 2. Right, Mr. Sang sẽ đóng mặt hai cái này lại. Câu số 1, câu trả lời là C. Then your example.
I would write my name, Liam Brown, for Bin Chan branch, studying family and friends 3. For question number 4, I think the answer is B. Okay, so remember all of these things.
Rồi lại ha. Mr. Liam Brown học tại chi nhánh Bình Chánh, lớp Family and Friends 3 F3. Câu trả lời cho câu số 4 là B. Okay.
This bit here, you can copy and paste. Then you don't have to keep typing again and again, and you might be the quicker person.
Rồi, cái phần mà các bạn thấy ở trong cái ngoặc kép này á, chúng ta copy cái đó để chúng ta trả lời cho nó nhanh ha, copy và sau đó chúng ta pass lên cho cái câu trả lời tiếp theo ha. So copy cái này xong rồi pass. Ví dụ câu số 1 C, ok, xong rồi copy cái này, câu số 2 D, copy cái này, câu số 3 A, copy cái này, câu số 4 B, ví dụ giống như vậy ha. Chúng ta sẽ làm nhanh hơn.
We will do this live stream for between 45 minutes and 1 hour. And at the end of the live stream, the staff here will check the answers and decide who the winners are.
Rồi, vào cuối cái buổi livestream là vào khoảng tầm 7 giờ 30 thì các bạn nhân viên tại ACE sẽ tổng kết cũng như là check lại hết coi là ai sẽ có được cái số câu trả lời đúng nhất cũng như là nhanh nhất để chọn ra 4 người cao nhất, chúng ta sẽ là người thắng cuộc của cuộc chơi ngày hôm nay.
If there are two students that have the same number of correct answers, for example, if I get 42 and Mr. Sang gets 42, we will choose the winner on who gets the fastest answers.
Nếu như trường hợp có hai bạn cùng có câu trả lời đáp án đúng giống nhau, ví dụ Mr. Sang có 42 câu trả lời đúng, Mr. Liam có 42 câu trả lời đúng, vậy thì ai nhanh hơn sẽ là người chiến thắng trong cái phần thi đó.
We will give you a short time to get ready. You can copy and paste this already, get prepared. Mr. Sang, what kind of questions do you have in here? What subjects are we learning about today?
So we have a lot of subjects today. We have math.
We have some biology, some general knowledge, some questions about Vietnamese history.
Yes, and some questions about Vietnamese geography as well.
Some of these questions are easy, some of them are a little bit harder. If you can't answer the questions, don't worry, just try your best.
Yeah. So chúng ta sẽ có rất là nhiều câu hỏi và nó sẽ nằm rải rác ở tất cả các chủ đề mà chúng ta đã học ha. Từ dễ cho đến khó, chúng ta sẽ có các câu hỏi liên quan về toán học, chúng ta sẽ có các câu hỏi liên quan về địa lý, lịch sử, hoặc là động vật, hoặc là những cái câu hỏi mang tính chất general knowledge, những câu hỏi chung chung ha. So good luck to everyone.
Yeah, good luck, and we will begin the quiz now.
So there's going to be 3 parts of the live stream today. Part 1, fun quiz.
This will be many different questions about the subjects that we just talked about. This is multiple choice, so A, B, C, or D. Remember, comment your answer, just about the question number and A, B, C, or D.
So chúng ta luôn luôn nhớ ở phần đầu tiên mình sẽ làm theo cái cú pháp hồi nãy ha. Sau đó là có tên của, sau đó sẽ có số thứ tự của câu hỏi và sẽ có đáp án.
Part number 2 is general facts about coronavirus. This is things that you should do or things that you shouldn't do at the moment. Hopefully this will help you to stay healthy. These questions will be true or false. So before this, you need to write T or F. We will tell you when that will begin.
Về phần số 2 của buổi livestream sẽ là một số cái thông tin về dịch bệnh coronavirus, những cái mà chúng ta nên làm và những cái chúng ta không nên làm trong này. Chúng ta sẽ là những câu hỏi true false statement. Cho nên là chút xíu nữa Mr. Sam và Mr. Liam sẽ hướng dẫn cho các bạn phần này sau ha. And the last one would be part number 3. These are some physical activities that you can easily do at home to stay healthy during the coronavirus period like this.
Yeah, we will do some examples and then hopefully you can join in and do the same at home. Right, okay, now we can begin with the quiz.
Okay, so let's go to question number 1.
Okay, so, question number 1. She works at a hospital. Who is she? A, doctor. B, police officer. C, farmer. Or D, pilot.
You will have 5 seconds to think. Type your answers.
3, 2.
Yeah, okay, Mr. Liam, so which one do you think it could be the answer?
She works in a hospital.
Yeah.
I think it is A, doctor.
A, doctor. So Mr. Liam thinks could be A. Do you have any other answers? Comment and type it. Okay, now we check if A is the correct answer. That's good. Very good. Now we move to the next question.
Yeah. First, where does a police officer work?
The police officer works at a police station.
Where does a pilot work?
The pilot works at the airport. Where does the farmer work?
The farmer works on a farm.
Very good. Yeah, congratulations, Thúy Hằng. You get a very good answer. Now move to question number 2. What color is it? A, red, B, blue, C, brown, and D, green. You have 5 seconds to think.
2, 1.
So, what do you think it could be the answer, Mr. Liam?
I hope you can all see this color at home, but I think this one is brown.
So, your final answer is C. Congratulations.
Right, okay, Mr. Sang, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Oh, really?
You will see later.
Yeah, very nice. Now we move to the next question.
Okay, question number 3. What is the biggest animal? So this one, the biggest animal in the world. Is it A, elephant, B, whale, C, tiger, or D, dolphin? Okay, you have 5
seconds to think. And remember, when you comment, make it in the correct format. Khi mà chúng ta comment, các bạn cố gắng là chúng ta sẽ làm theo đúng cái format ha, bao gồm tên, chi nhánh mà mình đang học, lớp, đóng ngoặc đơn cái đó lại, sau đó là câu trả lời của mình ha. Đây là question number 3, câu hỏi số 3.
So just again then, what is the biggest animal in the world? A, elephant, B, whale, C, tiger, D, dolphin. What do you think the answer is?
I think I used to see the elephant. This is really big, so I think elephants could be the answer here.
Elephant? Does anybody have a different answer at home? Mr. Sang might not be correct here.
Elephant.
Let's try.
Try elephant.
No.
This
Okay.
is not correct.
Elephant is the biggest land animal, but this one, the biggest animal in the world, I think it is whale. Correct answer is B, whale.
Yeah. Okay. Congratulations, Tuyết Nhi. You done very well. Chúc mừng Tuyết Nhi đã có câu trả lời đúng. Now move to question number 4. What is the color of banana? A, red, B, yellow, C, black, and D, white. Hurry up, you will have 5 seconds. Remember to comment. Cố gắng theo cú pháp nhé.
1.
So, what do you think could be the answer, Mr. Liam?
I think the answer is B, yellow.
Banana is yellow. Okay, try.
If the banana is black, you don't want to be eating that. It will make you sick.
Yeah. Nếu như mà cái trái chuối của mình mà có màu đen là chúng ta sẽ không được ăn ha. Yeah, alright. Go ahead.
Right, moving on to question number 5. This is the first question about maths. Good luck to everybody. First one. What is 9 plus 3? Is it A, 12, B, 93, C, 6, or D, 11? You have 5 seconds.
5 seconds. This is math. Easy math. Easy math. Đây là một câu hỏi về toán rất là dễ ha. Chúng ta cố gắng. Các bạn nhớ là soạn theo đúng cú pháp nhé.
Mr. Sang said it's easy, so what is the correct answer?
Number 9 and number 3. So I think the correct answer is A, 12. Whoop. Yeah, this is 12. It's correct.
We'll just say that quickly in Vietnamese so that they understand how.
Yeah. So 9 cộng với lại 3 chúng ta sẽ bằng bao nhiêu ha? Thì chúng ta sẽ có 9 cộng 3 12, 93, 6, 11 và đáp án đúng
So
là
this one here, everyone, this one plus. Plus.
Và cái dấu cộng này tiếng Anh chúng ta sẽ gọi là plus ha. Dấu cộng này chúng ta sẽ gọi là plus. Alright, so congratulations Minh Quân and Bảo Thi. Very good. Very good.
Next one, question number 6.
Now, question number 6. Mr. Sang has 3 apples. Mr. Liam gives Mr. Sang 2. How many apples does Mr. Sang have now? A, 1, B, 5, C, 6, and D, 32 apples. You will have 5 seconds to think. I have 3. Mr. Liam gives me 2.
2 more.
How many do I have now? A, B, C, or D? Yeah, so what do you think it could be the answer here, Mr. Liam?
I think this one is 5. 3 plus 2, 5.
Okay, so 3 apples here, plus 2 apples here, so we have... Whoop. That is good. Okay, so next questions.
Number 7.
Congratulations, Thanh Hành and Yaoi. You've done very well.
Right, okay, next one. What is the last letter of the word happy? What is the last letter of the word happy? Is it A, Y, B, H, C, P, or D, A? You have 5 seconds again. So H, A, B, D, Y. What do you think is the last letter?
I think that is H.
So H?
Yeah.
Do you have a different answer?
I think it is
Remember,
H.
last letter.
Oh,
Okay, so remember, H is the first letter. Do you have another try for what is the last letter?
I didn't see the word last letter here, so maybe that is letter Y.
Okay, let's try Y. Very good. Now I will just quickly spell it for you. At home, you can copy this. So H, A, P, P, Y. One more time, Mr. Sang will do it. H,
H,
A,
A,
P,
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 Y.
Y.
Okay, everyone can try this at home.
Yeah. Happy. Now, let's move to the next question. Very easy. I'm going to say it quick. What color is it? Hope you can see the color here. A, red. B, blue. C, brown. And D, green. You will have 5 seconds. Rồi, chúng ta cố gắng là chúng ta sẽ soạn đúng cú pháp để có câu trả lời chính xác nhé. Congratulations Minh Hằng, Bảo Thi and Minh Quân. You all done very well. Okay, so Mr. Liam, what could be the answer here? What color is this?
I think this is green.
Green. Let's check it out. Very good.
Be careful. Many students have a problem with green and blue. Remember this one, green. This color here, blue.
So thầy Liam vừa mới nhắc các bé là có rất là nhiều bé hay bị lộn giữa màu xanh lá green và màu xanh dương blue. This is green, okay, and this is blue, or this is a blue tie. It's great.
Moving on, this one a little bit of science. Okay, so question number 9. Which of your 5 senses tell if something is hot or cold? Is it A, smelling, B, seeing, C, hearing, or D, touching? One more time. Which of your 5 senses tell you if something is hot or cold? Is it A, smelling, B, seeing, D, hearing, or C, hearing, or D, touching?
Touching. So you will have 5 seconds to type the answer.
Right, okay, so Mr. Sang, what do you think the answer is?
This is so hard. This is the difficult questions. Mr. Sang nghĩ là câu này hơi khó một tí xíu ha. Right, so I will choose maybe D.
Okay.
Touching.
D. Touching, yes. So if you touch ice, you know it's cold. If you touch fire, you know it's very hot.
Yeah, so Mr. Liam, I have a small question for you. Which part of your body used to smell?
I use my nose to smell.
Yeah.
What do you use to hear?
I use my ears to hear. What do you use to see?
I use my eyes to see.
Alright.
What do you use to taste?
I use my tongue. Right, this one tongue, this taste.
And we have some more correct answers.
Yeah, so, yeah, very good. Minh Quân, very good. Good job. Congratulations, Minh Quân. Now, next question. What sport do you like? This is very easy, right? A. Chicken. B. Hamburger. C. Australia. And D. Basketball. You will have 5 seconds. This is so easy. Alright, so Mr. Liam, what do you think it could be the answer here?
I think this one will be basketball.
Basketball. So why A, B, and C is not the answers?
D is a sport.
Yes.
A and B are types of food.
Food.
C is a country. So remember the question, what sport?
Yeah, sport.
This is the only sport.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is swimming.
Swimming.
How about you?
My favorite sport, as I told you at the start, soccer.
Do you like basketball?
No, I'm not a big fan of basketball.
Let's see if that's it.
Yeah.
Next one, question number 11.
Alright, this is a little bit harder. So be careful. Plants, animals, and blank are examples of living things. Plants, animals, and blank are examples of living things. A. Bugs. B. Trains. C. Dolls. And D. Bottles. You will have 5 seconds to think. So A. Birds. B. Trains. C. Dolls. And D. Bottles. Yeah, okay, so Mr. Liam, what do you think it could be the answer?
So B, C, and D, these are not living things. So I think the answer is A, bugs.
Yes. Bugs. Now we check. Correct. So congratulations for those who choose A. Yeah, move to the next question.
Okay, so a little bit of grammar here. The cars and buses blank. Very noisy today. The A is, B am, C are, or D have. Think about this one. Make sure you write the
Yeah,
correct
you have
answer.
5 seconds. Remember to comment in a correct format. Các bé cố gắng là chúng ta sẽ comment theo đúng format ha. And congratulations to Quang Bảo. You had a really good answer.
So, the cars are buses blank, very noisy today. What do you think this is?
I think this is easy. I will choose C, R, the cars and buses are very noisy today.
Very good. I hope you have the same answers at home. Next one. Mr. Liam and Mr. Sang go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. How many days do they go to school?
A.
You have 5 seconds.
4, B. 7, C. 5, and D. 6. So how many days do Mr. Sang and Mr. Liam go to school? Alright, what is your answer, Mr. Liam?
This one? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think C, 5.
Okay, C.
So we'll just practice quickly pronunciation with that one. If you can copy. So this one. Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday.
With this one, always remember the S. So Tuesday.
Tuesday. How about the weekends, Mr. Liam?
Weekends, the 2 days are Saturday and Sunday.
So weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Alright, congratulations, Thúy Hằng and Minh Đức. Very good. Now, next one. Alright, so you can see Mr. Liam. Mr. Liam, blank, very tall. He is very tall. Sorry. So we have A, R, B, is, C, has, D, am.
You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
This is very easy, right?
I think it is B, is.
Yes. So, Mr. Liam, how tall are you?
I am 1 meter and 92 centimeters. How tall are you?
I am 1 meter and 73 centimeters.
Next question. Fill in the blanks. So, where blank you live? A, do. B, are. C, does. D, is. You have 5 seconds.
Okay, what do you think it could be the answer?
1, 0. I think this is where do you live? So that would be A, do.
Yeah, so do. Now we try to do.
Where do you live?
I live in Govap. Where do you live?
I live in Govap also.
Yeah, really good.
There are 42 boys and 56 girls in the class. 6 boys and 16 girls are absent. How many boys and how many girls are in the class now? A, 42 boys and 56 girls. B, 6 boys and 16 girls. C, 36 boys and 40 girls. D, I don't know. So for this one, Sam, can you have them? Absent. What does this mean in Vietnamese?
So in Vietnamese, absent means nghỉ học, không có đi học, không có đến lớp. Alright, so câu hỏi, how many boys and how many girls are in the class now? Có bao nhiêu bạn nam và bao nhiêu bạn nữ đang đi học ha? You have 5 seconds.
Good luck, everybody.
Okay, so Mr. Liam, what do you think it could be the answer?
So 42, take away 6 boys. I think 36 boys and 40 girls. I love maths. Right, okay, next one.
What country do you want to visit? A, Ho Chi Minh City. B, Paris. C, Bangkok. And D, England. So, what country did you want to visit?
Remember, country. That's the important one.
Right. So, Mr. Liam, what could be the answer here?
So this one, city, 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 country. I think it's D, England.
Easy, right? Let's move. Okay. This is a little bit difficult for most of you here. How many seconds are there in an hour?
Remember, this one, no calculators.
Các bạn phải tính câu hỏi này mà không dùng máy tính ha. So, có bao nhiêu giây trong 1 giờ? A, 60. B, 3,600. C, 360. And D, 6,300. You will have 5 seconds. Có bao nhiêu giây trong 1 giờ? Alright, so Mr. Liam, you are very good at math.
I think this is 3,600. 60 times 60. Okay, next one, number 19. Mr. Liam and Mr. Sang grew 5,643 flowers in the summer, and when it was winter, 231 of them died. How many are still alive?
Alright, let me just do it quickly in Vietnamese. So Mr. Liam với lại Mr. Sang trồng 5.643 bông hoa. Xong rồi tới mùa đông 231 bông hoa đã bị chết đi. So hỏi còn lại bao nhiêu bông hoa đang sống? Rất là dễ, right? So we have A
5,412. B 5,874. C 231. Or D 5,643.
You will have 5 seconds to think. Remember to type your answer. Alright, so what is your answer, Mr. Liam?
I think this is A, 5,412.
How do you come up with the answer?
You see N1, 3 minus 1, the last digit is 2.
Chúng ta sẽ lấy cái này, chúng ta trừ cho số này ha, 5.643 trừ cho 231. And the answer here. Ooh. Alright, next one. This is easy. Yeah. Which bird can't fly? Which bird can't fly? A. Falcon. B. Eagle. C. Owl. D. Penguin. So, which bird can't fly? You have 5 seconds. Alright, so what is your answer?
I think this is a penguin.
Penguin. Penguin cannot fly.
What can a penguin do?
I think a penguin can swim.
Yes. And what does a penguin eat?
A penguin eats fish.
Okay.
Alright, so now we move to a question related to Vietnamese history.
Okay, question number 1. Who is the leader of the Dien Bien Phu War? A. Ho Chi Minh. B. Chan Hung Dao.
Yeah.
C. Von Nguyen Giặc. D. Nguyen Trạch.
Very good. So you have 5 seconds to think. Dien Bien Phu War. So who is the leader? Okay. Alright, now let's check Mr. Liam whether he knows anything about Vietnamese history. Okay, so what do you think it could be the answer, Mr. Liam?
I think the answer is C. General Von Nguyen Giặc.
Yeah, so Mr. Liam say là General Võ Nguyên Giáp, Đại tướng Võ Nguyên Giáp. Now move. Alright, so we have a blank here.
Okay, so this one. Let's blank fishing. The answers are A. Do. B. Go. C. Play. Or D. Nothing. So D. Just let's fishing.
Okay. So
You have 5 seconds.
Alright, so what is the answer, Mr. Liam, for this one?
I think this one is let's go fishing.
Okay, let's go. So I choose B. Do you like going fishing?
Yes, I have been fishing many times and I have never caught a fish. I am terrible.
Yeah, so Mr. Liam nói là rất là thích đi câu cá nhưng mà không bao giờ câu được hết. Yeah, congratulations, Xuân Diệm. You get a really good answer. Now, move to the next one. This is quite hard, so be careful with this one.
Okay, so this one a bit of geography. What is the largest desert in the world? What is the largest desert in the world? Is it A, the Antarctic desert? B, the Arabian desert? C, Sahara desert? Or D, the Syrian desert?
Okay, so you have 5 seconds to think. Hoang mạc nào là lớn nhất trên thế giới ha? Alright.
We have some more good students.
Yeah, we have Tuyết Phạm here. Really good. Congratulations. Okay, time's up. So what is your answer for this, Mr. Liam?
The largest desert in the world is the Antarctic desert.
Yeah, so he said that A, not C, not Sahara.
No, Sahara is
Are you
number
sure?
3, I think.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Okay, so choose. Yes, is correct.
Remember, deserts are not always hot and sandy. Sometimes they can be snow and ice.
Yeah, so chúng ta, thầy vừa mới nói với các bạn là chúng ta sẽ đừng có nghĩ là sa mạc chỉ là nóng và chỉ có cát không hả? Đôi khi nó sẽ là một nơi rất là lạnh và cũng không có mưa nữa. Okay. Alright, so next one, very easy. What is the Independence Day of Vietnam? A. The August 27th in 1983. B. The 1st of June. C. The 2nd of September. And D. The November 20th. So, what is the Independence? Ngày độc lập, ngày quốc khánh của Việt Nam mình là vào ngày nào ha? A, B, C, or D? So, Mr. Liam, what is the answer?
I think the answer is C, the 2nd of September.
The 2nd of September. Alright, next one, a bit about geography. So, where is Phong Nha Cave? A. Hanoi. B. Quảng Bình. C. Thanh Hóa. And D. Nghệ An. Alright, so you have 5 seconds. Mr. Liam, have you ever been to Phong Nha Cave before?
I have been to Phong Nha Cave. This is my favorite place in Vietnam. I really love this place.
So, thầy Liam nói là thầy rất là thích nơi này. So, do you know where it is? Which city?
I think it is B. Quảng Bình.
Quảng Bình.
The home of Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah, this is the home of Ho Chi Minh. So thầy Liam hỏi là Nghệ An có phải là quê hương của Bác Hồ của mình không? Yeah, he knows a lot about Vietnam, right? Really good. Okay, next one. Very easy.
Some math. So question number 26. What is 15 times 10? What is 15 times 10? Is it A, 1,500, B, 15, C, 150, or D, 1.5? Good luck.
So you will have 5 seconds. Yeah, so what do you think it could be the answer here, Mr. Lim?
I think this is C, 150.
C, very easy, right?
So this one here, remember, times.
Yeah. Okay, this is another question about geography. How long is the natural coastline of Vietnam? Natural coastline, it means đường bờ biển. Alright, so đường bờ biển tự nhiên của Việt Nam mình dài bao nhiêu? So we have A, B, C, and D. Okay, and you have 5 seconds to give the answer. Okay, cool. Yeah, the cameraman, what is the answer here?
C.
C? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. So the cameraman here, he chose C. Now, next one. Another Vietnamese question.
So, how many cities and provinces are there in Vietnam? Is it A, 40, B, 52, C, 60, or D, 63?
You will have 5 seconds.
So, provinces, what does this mean in Vietnamese?
Provinces là tỉnh. Cities,
thành phố.
So how many tỉnh thành ở Việt Nam, right? So the answer is...
I'm not sure.
So,
I would guess D, 63.
Okay, D. Very good guess. And next one. Alright, another Vietnamese history. What year did the Dien Bien Phu War take place? A. 1945, B. 1954, C. 1950, D. I don't know, I need to search on Google. Okay, but you have only 5 seconds, so I don't think you have enough time. Yes?
3, 2.
So, what could be the answer here, Mr. Liam?
I think the Dien Bien Phu War was May the 7th, 1954.
Very good. Thầy Liam còn nhớ cả ngày nữa là 7 tháng 5. Very good.
Right, okay then, this one, a little bit about people. So, who is a scientist in this group? Is it A, Isaac Newton, B, Song MTP, C, Cristiano Ronaldo, or D, Donald Trump?
Ok, so các bạn ơi, khi mà chúng ta comment á, các bạn cố gắng là ghi số câu hỏi nha. Chúng ta có rất là nhiều câu hỏi, and chúng ta cố gắng cẩn thận ha. Okay.
Okay, so Zach, I'm not very sure about this one. What is the answer for this one?
So 4 builders built a wall in 4 hours,
Right.
and 8 builders. So I think that's 0.
0. This one here, built, is the past tense for built. So the wall is already built. They don't need to build another one.
Yeah, đây là câu hỏi mẹo ha. Bởi vì là 4 người thợ xây này họ đã hoàn tất cái wall này, có cái bức tường này rồi, họ đã xây cái bức tường này rồi, cho nên không cần phải xây thêm nữa. Đáp án sẽ là 0. Next one. Alright, this is Vietnamese literature. I hope you can know this one, Mr. Liam. Who is the author of Trịnh? A. Nam Cao, B. Nguyễn Du, C. Thạch Lam, and D. Xuân Diệu. So you have 5 seconds.
I don't know who this is. I don't know who this is. I think B, Nguyen Yu.
Alright, this is about Vietnam.
So number 35. Remember, keep writing the question number. What shape is Vietnam? A, B, E, C, O, D, S. You have 5 seconds.
Alright, so what do you think it could be the answer?
So I think this one is D, S. S shape for Vietnam.
Okay. And next one. Look at the picture. I hope you can see the picture clearly. And what is she doing? A. She is surfing. B. She is kayaking. C. She is sailing. And D. She is snorkeling. You will have 5 seconds. Alright, so Mr. Liam, what is your answer here for the question?
So this one, breathing with a tube, I say this one is snorkeling. D, she is snorkeling. So you can just say these ones at home. This one, surfing, kayaking, sailing, snorkeling. What do you like to do?
I like doing snorkeling. I like snorkeling. Yeah. Alright, so this is the end of part 1. Congratulations, Gia Tứ, Meo Meo, and Angel. You got a very good answer for that one. Now let's move to part 2, which is the general facts about coronavirus. What should we do for this part, Mr. Liam?
At the moment, people are very worried about the virus, but there are many things that you can do to prevent yourself from getting it. These are things that you should do and things that you shouldn't do. Okay? Remember, part of this section you need to write T or F, not the number.
So các bạn, ở cái phần này chúng ta sẽ làm những cái câu về true false. Các bạn nếu thấy cái câu trả lời đó là đúng thì chúng ta sẽ ghi từ T là true. Và nếu như câu trả lời đó là sai, chúng ta sẽ ghi từ F là false. Ok? T hoặc là F mà chứ không còn là A, B, C, D nữa. So remember. Và vẫn nhớ cái cú pháp của chúng ta ha, đó là tên, trường mà chúng ta đang học ha, và lớp, sau đó là đến câu trả lời số thứ tự tiếp theo.
So, number 44, this one. You should cough on the other people. You should cough on the other people. Mr. Sen, what does cough mean?
Cough mean
So this, you should cough on the other people. What's this?
This one. Yes. So you should or you shouldn't. Yes or no. If that is yes, true. If it is no, false. Write out T and F. Okay?
You have the time.
Yeah, video.
So, you should cough on the other people. Mr. Seng, do you think this is true or false?
No, this is not true.
True, definitely not. It's not very hygienic and it's very rude.
This is false. Alright, next one. You should stay healthy. Chúng ta nên giữ sức khỏe. True or false? Easy, right? So congratulations, Nhung Nguyễn, Xuân Diệm, Hoàng Duy, Thanh Trúc, and Phương Linh. You all get very good answers. So you should stay healthy. Yes.
Yes, I think this is true.
Yeah.
We will show you some ways to stay healthy in part 3.
Yeah. You shouldn't wash your hands regularly. You shouldn't. So true or false? Mr. Liam?
You should wash your hands many, many times a day.
Yeah. So this one true or false?
This one, false. Remember here, shouldn't. Read the questions carefully.
Next one.
Number 47. You should play video games all day long. Not go outside, just play video games. So, one more time. You should play video games all day long. You have 5 seconds.
So, I know that you love playing video games. Hãy biết là sẽ có rất là nhiều bạn sẽ thích play video games, nhưng mà all day long, chơi cả một ngày luôn, không làm gì hết. True or false? So, Mr. Liam?
I think this is false.
Yeah.
You should always take regular breaks and make sure you're eating healthy food and going outside, not just playing video games all the time.
Yeah. Next one. You should wear a mask when you go out. So, true or false? Mask. Congratulations. Right, Hương Lương and Toàn Việt. Yeah, correct answer. Very good. Alright, so you should wear a mask. True or false, Mr. Liam?
You should definitely wear a mask. Even without the virus in Ho Chi Minh City with pollution, you should always wear a mask. It is very good for your lungs and your health.
Yeah, ngay cả khi là chúng ta không có cái dịch thì chúng ta không có dịch bệnh, chúng ta cũng nên đeo khẩu trang khi mà ra ngoài đường, tại vì là không khí của chúng ta hiện tại cũng đang không có được trong lành cho lắm. Để bảo vệ bản thân mình thì you should wear a mask. So this is true or false?
I think this one is true.
Yes.
So 49. You should watch the news. Again, you should watch the news.
Chúng ta nên xem tin tức. Alright, so true or false? Congratulations, Nhung Nguyễn, Phương Linh and Gia Bảo. You got the correct answers. Alright, so this is true or false, Mr. Liam?
I think this is true.
True. Okay. So, why do you think we need to watch the news?
In case there are any new updates, maybe about school times, when you will be back to school. Also, any announcements, whether you can go outside or should stay at home, and what to do if you get sick as well. Do you know any good places that I can watch news?
So there are some good channels, national channels in Vietnam like VTV or HTV, and there are some good newspapers like Tuổi Trẻ, Thanh Niên. So, chúng ta nên cố gắng là chúng ta sẽ luôn thường xuyên cập nhật tin tức để chúng ta có thể biết tình hình dịch bệnh hiện tại đang diễn biến như thế nào. Bên cạnh đó chúng ta cũng sẽ biết được là cái lịch học ở Á Châu như thế nào nè. Chúng ta sẽ biết được cái thông báo khi là chúng ta sẽ quay trở lại học nè. Chúng ta sẽ biết được những cái buổi livestream để các bạn có thể ôn tập kiến thức như hôm nay nữa. So, chúng ta sẽ luôn cần phải theo dõi cái tin tức. Bên cạnh đó thì có một số cái kênh truyền thông chính thống, như là trên TV chúng ta có VTV, chúng ta có HTV, báo thì chúng ta sẽ có Tuổi Trẻ, báo Thanh Niên, right? Chúng ta sẽ nên chọn lựa thông tin.
Yeah. You should also check Facebook or Zalo and check any announcements from THảo English schools.
Yeah, so next one. You shouldn't do your homework. Oh. I don't think this is good, Mr. Liam. What do you think? What could be the answer here?
This one, remember the question shouldn't. This one, I think you should do your homework. So I think this one is false.
False.
Next one, number 51. You should keep your house clean. You should keep your house clean. So this one, true or false?
Yeah. I can see a lot of you got very good answers. I can see Khánh Lê, Danh Berry, Xuân Diễm, Hoàng Ghi, Thanh Trúc, Anh Huỳnh, Toàn Việt, Gia Bảo. Congratulations all, very good. So this one true or false, Mr. Liam?
You should keep your house clean. I think this is true.
And the next one, you should eat healthy food. Chúng ta nên ăn những thực phẩm có lợi cho sức khỏe. So, what do you think? True or false?
I think you should always eat healthy food.
Yeah, so
true. Yeah, so do you have some examples for healthy food that the students
right.
eat?
So healthy food. These could be considered like fruits, like bananas, apple, pear, and vegetables. Like water spinach, lettuce, broccoli, cabbage. Sorry, cabbage.
Okay, so this one.
That's one.
You should watch Agile livestream and review the lessons.
Yeah, chúng ta nên xem, right? Chúng ta nên xem những cái buổi livestream của Agile. True or false? Totally true, right?
I think so.
Yes, this is totally true.
Even though you aren't at school, there are many different ways that you can learn yourself. You can do activities at home, look online, Google Dictionary, Google Translate. There are many different ways that you can learn.
Alright, now we move to the last part, which is staying healthy during the COVID-19. Okay. Then we're gonna have some things to do here.
Okay, so there are many things that you can do to stop the virus from spreading. So, first of all, this one here, frequently wash your hands. So wash your hands many, many times. Now, we will show you the way to do this correctly.
Rồi bây giờ Mr. Sam và Mr. Liam sẽ hướng dẫn cho các bạn sẽ làm sao để chúng ta rửa tay thật là đúng cách ha. Alright, so bình thường thì chúng ta sẽ cần rửa với nước và xà bông, nhưng mà ở đây không có nước và xà bông cho nên là Mr. Sam với Mr. Liam sẽ làm thử một cái loại nước rửa tay khô và cố gắng là chúng ta sẽ làm theo giống như vậy tại nhà ha. Alright.
So, you can watch and see if this is a good way or a bad way to do it.
Rồi, chúng ta sẽ xem thử coi là Mr. Liam làm đúng hay là sai ha. Nếu mà đúng các bạn comment yes, nếu mà chưa có tốt lắm thì các bạn comment no ha. Alright.
Right, okay, so you have the antibacterial. Okay, done. Do you think this is right or wrong?
Rồi, các bạn thấy làm vậy là đúng không? Thì Mr. Liam chỉ là feed. No, I don't think this is good.
Okay, so here we have 8 steps for washing your hands. I will say them and Mr. Sang will show you the actions. So, number 1, wash your palms. Number 2, scrub each finger and between fingers. Number 3, rub the back of your hands and between your fingers. Number 4, rub the base of your thumbs. Number 5, rub the back of your fingers. Number 6, scrub your nails on your palms. Number 7, wash your wrist. Number 8, dry hands with a clean towel.
Alright, chúng ta nhớ là những cái bước này chúng ta đều có thể làm với cả nước, cũng như với cả nước lại rửa tay nước với lại xà bông, cũng như là các cái loại rửa tay khô giống như vậy ha. Okay, right.
So there are many other things that you can do. Avoid contact with live animals.
Okay, so ở đây có một số cái là chúng ta sẽ cố gắng hạn chế là avoid contact. Chúng ta không có tiếp xúc với lại các loài động vật sống nữa.
Do not consume raw meats.
Chúng ta không có ăn thịt sống.
Avoid direct contact with suspected patients.
Chúng ta hạn chế tiếp xúc với những cái người là nghi nhiễm bệnh.
Observe good personal hygiene.
Chúng ta cố gắng là giữ gìn vệ sinh cơ thể thật là sạch sẽ ha.
cough into a tissue and dispose of it.
So, nếu như khi mà mình cough thì mình sẽ, khi mà mình cần ho á, mình sẽ ho vào đây. Sau đó chúng ta sẽ gói lại và bỏ vào trong thùng rác. Ok, chúng ta bỏ vào trong thùng rác. Sau đó chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục rửa tay.
And consult a doctor if you are feeling unwell.
Alright, so nếu như mà mình cảm thấy không có được khỏe lắm thì chúng ta nên đến và gặp bác sĩ ha.
Now this one, we will show you how to correctly wear the mask.
Rồi bây giờ chúng ta sẽ đến cái phần tiếp theo, đó là sử dụng khẩu trang ha. Ở đây chúng ta sẽ có hai cái khẩu trang. Alright. So again, what is your favorite color, Mr. Liam?
My favorite color is pink.
Yeah. Rồi bây giờ Mr. Liam sẽ hướng dẫn cho các bạn sẽ đeo khẩu trang một cách đúng cách ha.
Right, okay, so step number one, wear with the color side facing out. So color side facing out, white side facing in.
Alright, so yeah. Number two, ensure it covers the nose and mouth fully. Good. Tie or loop the straps around your head or over the ear. And use 2 fingers to press the concealed metal wire down to fit the shape of the nose.
Is there anything you shouldn't do?
Okay, this is something that you shouldn't do. You touch the mask inside. No, you always hold the mask like this. Get the straps, wear it here, adjust this one and this. If you wear a mask like this is not correct. So this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong. Okay? Yeah, and then move to the last part. Okay, this is the last part of the live stream today. There are some physical activities that me and Mr. Liam will try to do it. Alright, I think I will need to take off my shoes.
I'll do it, it's okay. So
Yeah,
for this one, we want you to join in and try to do some of these at home. So if you have a little area where you can practice yourself.
Okay, so Mr. Hai, please help us with this one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we have 6 activities here that you can do with me and Mr. Liam. So bây giờ nếu mà các bé ở nhà mà đang xem cái này á, chúng ta cố gắng đứng lên chung với thầy và thầy Liam ở đây, xong chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau làm thử cái hoạt động này. So we have
So first of all, how to say all of these. Can you repeat after me? So push up,
push up,
push up,
push up,
running on the spot,
running on the spot,
running on the spot.
running on the spot.
Number 3, sit up,
Number 3, sit up,
sit up.
sit up.
This one here, star jump,
Star jump,
star jump.
star jump,
And 5, squat,
squat,
squat.
squat,
Number 6, jump rope,
jump rope,
jump rope.
jump rope. Alright, now you can give comments the number and then me and Mr. Liam will do it. Bây giờ các bạn ở nhà các bạn sẽ comment cái nào các bạn thích nhất ở đây ha. Right, admin đang kiểm tra coi là các bạn sẽ chọn số mấy, rồi các bạn cố gắng chọn từ 1 đến 6 luôn ha. Các bạn sẽ cố gắng chọn ra cái số, sau đó Mr. Sang với Mr. Liam sẽ làm hết những cái phần này cho các bạn.
So first, shall we do an example?
Yeah. Rồi admin ơi, chúng ta có check được là bạn nhỏ chúng ta đã chọn số mấy chưa? Alright. Rồi Mr. Sang đã thấy là bạn admin báo là đã có number 1. Yeah. Okay, maybe Mr. Liam sẽ phải làm number 1 ha.
Okay, so this one, remember, push up.
Cố lên, cố lên. Alright. 5. So you can answer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Woo! Yeah, it's been a long time.
Next one, for number 5, for Mr. Sang, can you show them how to do 5?
I'm not very good with this one, so can you do it with me?
I can't do this one.
Alright, so this is squats. Try to do it. Mr. Sang cũng không có giỏi cái này lắm, cho nên là Chúng ta cứ làm để cho giữ sức khỏe tốt ha. 5 cái ha. So can you count that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ready?
Hai chân rộng bằng vai ha.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Yes.
1. Very good.
Yay, that's great.
I'll do that one.
Oh, admin, just say the admin just check on number 3, right?
Okay, so number 3 is a sit up.
I would do it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so number sit up. Đây cái Sang sẽ tiếp tục làm mẫu cho các bạn. Yeah. Rồi, mình sẽ nằm thẳng hết người ha. Sau đó chúng ta sẽ co đầu gối cũng như là gập lên luôn. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we've done push up, we've done squat, and we've done sit up. Yeah, now next one. Oh, I see number 4. Start jump.
Okay, so you want me to do 5? So
Yes.
this one?
No, this one I think Mr. Liam should do 10.
Okay, so this one,
Go.
hands together, legs together, jump
One.
out, make a star.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's good.
Run that.
Alright, so we just have number 2
Number
and
six.
number 6.
So for Mr. Sang, number 2,
Yeah, so
running
running
or
on
jogging
spots.
on the spot.
So, nếu mà hiện giờ các bạn không có muốn ra ngoài công viên để tập thể dục á, vì có quá nhiều người hay là gì thì chúng ta vẫn có thể tập chạy tại chỗ ở nhà ha. Đó là gọi là running on the spot. So you do easy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to do it for a longer time than that.
Yes.
And then obviously the last one, number 6, is jump rope. But we can't do this inside. So if you have a jump rope outside, this is very good for your fitness.
Yeah. Và cái cuối cùng là chúng ta sẽ jump rope chỉ dây ha. Cho nên các bạn nào mà thích có cái dây ở nhà các bạn sẽ có thể tập cái đó. Okay, that's it.
Right.
I think that is the end of the actual live stream today. I'll get some fun quiz.
Thank you everybody for watching and commenting. We hope to see you back at school again soon, but if not, THảo English will continue to keep doing these live streams for you.
Yeah, rất là mong là sang đầu tháng 3 chúng ta sẽ được quay trở lại học ha. Sau cái buổi livestream hôm nay thì admin sẽ check coi là bạn nào thắng và sẽ được nhận quà sau cái buổi này. Admin sẽ cố gắng là check hết tất cả cái answers mà các bạn đã có. Ai có nhiều câu trả lời đúng nhất sẽ được nhận được những cái phần quà đến từ Á Châu ha. Và chúng ta nhớ là vào ngày mai sẽ có một chủ đề rất là quan trọng và rất là thú vị mang tên Vui học cùng con vào lúc 18h30 và sẽ được dẫn bởi một thầy giáo rất là dễ thương, đó là Mr. Long. So các bạn cố gắng là nhớ xem và đón xem trực tiếp cái buổi livestream ngày mai vào lúc 6h30 ha. Ngày Chủ nhật 23 tháng 2 năm 2020. Stay healthy at home.
Yeah.
Do your homework.
Wash your hands correctly.
Wear your mask.
Correctly.
Alright.
And goodbye everybody.
Goodbye
See you
everyone.
soon.
Thank you for watching. Love you all.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.